Okay, I am inside the Tesla Model 3 and I want to show a quick video here regarding the hold feature of the car. I am in my garage right now, and as you can see, the speed is 0 miles an hour. Let's see here. I let go of the gas and let me do this. I tapped on the gas a little bit. So I'm sorry, I let go of the brake and then I tapped on the gas a little bit just to simulate, slowing down, and then letting the car put put the brakes, apply the brakes, or put the car letting the car put itself in hold mode. So now you have H there. That is H. So what we're gonna do is, I'm not gonna change the gear. The gear says D. You can see the gear there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the door and see what happens. So as you can see, I opened the door and then the car automatically transferred the transmission over to P instead of D. So that is a safety feature. I think it exists in other ICE cars, but the goal of this video is just to show those who just took possession of their cars in the past 1 or 2 weeks, and still sorting out all the wonderful features of this wonderful car. So that's it. Again, this video is about the hold feature of the Tesla Model 3, and that hold feature translates into the car automatically setting the gear to P the moment the driver's door is opened. I want to make a final note here that it's only the driver's door that makes the car switch the gear to P or parking. All right, have a great day. Bye.